Hello, these are your video instructions for how to do the signpost for fiction reading strategy. So this is probably going to take you, I would say, about an hour, maybe a little bit more, but depending on how quickly you read. You can also work on it on Tuesday because this assignment is not due until Tuesday. So first thing I want you to do is watch the video to learn about the signposts for fiction reading strategy. So that's a video of me walking you through what the signposts are, how to find them, how to label your notes so that I can see which signpost you're talking about. And then I've also got a PDF of the signpost document that I use in the video. So you can also look through that and take a look at the descriptions and what questions you should ask yourself and all those things. Then in your reader's notebook, you're going to create a 2-page spread to show your thinking about the short story, The Bass, the River, and Sheila Mant. So you can choose to read through the story first and then go back and take notes. Specifically, anything that stands out to you, go back and find that. Or you can do it while you are reading. It's up to you. I understand that some people don't like doing notes with your reading, and I understand that. But I want you to understand normally what we would be doing is you'd be reading this at home and taking notes and then come to class and discuss it. So your notes really are my way of seeing your thinking about the story because you're not here in the room and about half of you have chosen not to come to the Zoom meetings. I don't know what you think while you're reading, and I need to see that. That's why these notes are important to me. I'm also going to ask that when you take your pictures, if you can make them as clear as possible. I'm pretty good at reading things that are a little blurry, but last week, some of your pictures really challenged me. So really try to get as good a picture as you can, okay? And then your notes are going to be we're going to discuss those in our Zoom meeting on Thursday in small groups. Talk about what you saw, what your observations were, what questions you might have, what stood out to you, and then we'll have a whole class discussion based on your small group discussions. All right? So watch the video. This document is here for you to read over if you need to, but it is covered in the video. Read the story as it's written here. Take 2-page spread of notes. And then when you're done with your notes, take a picture and add it to this assignment and turn it in. If you have any questions, you know how to find me.